Hey there, this is Wendy. I know, 2 videos in one day if you're watching this on Friday, July 13th. Ooh, Friday the 13th. Okay, so I wanted to give you this really quick tip today about storing your framelits and thinlits. I get this question all the time, so that's why I'm addressing it in this video. When I get my framelits or my thinlits, this is the very first thing I do. I take them off of their backing and I take them out of the envelope they came in. I cut a magnetic sheet at 7 1/4 by 5 1/4, or also said 7 1/4, or 5 by 1/4. And I'll show you what magnet sheets I use in just a second. I slip them into these Avery L storage envelopes and then I label them, and I use my label maker to do that. So that's it. That is how I store my framelits and my thinlits. That way I can slip the whole magnet out very easily, access all the framelits, and then put them all back in when I'm done using them. This is the label maker and magnetic sheets that I use. I love this label maker. It's a P-Touch Brothers label maker. I have linked to it in the description below this video. I've also linked to the magnetic sheets, the Avery L envelopes as well, and this cute die set that I have here. So I get these vent cover magnetic sheets from Lowe's and I cut them up using my trimmer. They cut very easily. You get 3 sheets in one, and then I put them in these envelopes, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this helped you out on how to store your framelits and thinlits. This is how I like to store them, so I can see them and know what's in the package right away. If you want to see other ideas and information from me, you can click on either one of these videos. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the circle with my face in it, and I'll catch you later. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.